गुड मॉर्निंग म्हज्या मोगाड भावा आणि तुमच्या भयणीनो.
तुमच्या बहिणीनं
तेंची न्हू भयण मुगे म्हणजे भयणी. सो गायज वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. सो आयच्या दिसा आमी आतां वयतात वेर्ना. सो हांवें चिंतलें आयज की हांव कोंकणीन ब्लॉग करतलो म्हूण. म्हजे शिक्षक सायडीन आसा.
हांवें शिकयलें ना ताका.
So we're heading towards Verna. So I thought I'll give you some good content. Normally I'm only stuck one place. So yes, let's go ahead. Last मातशें साफ कर मरे पोळ.
ताका लागून वयत न्ही वेर्ना हांव.
So guys, we are here to repair this wiper. So we're in Verna right now. Where is Hyundai mare? Hyundai.
BMW.
Yeah, we come to the BMW store over here, which is Hyundai for us. The गाडी बाबा वरते जाल्यार बेश्टी बेगीन व्हर आनी बेगीन दी. Just one wiper has to change. Yes. Guys, आमी न्यू गाडी घेतली. This is new car. Check the number. आज कोणा मडक लावपा जाय मडक लायात. So yes guys, I come for the delivery. No, we're just joking. I come for this car. Estimate दिला 5,000. Yeah, we're waiting when it's gonna go in. Still here. Guys, it's been 1 hour. We're outside, still here stuck, but our work is not getting done. We are stuck over here. This guy also is waiting. He's also stressed. Just one wiper he has to change, and he's taking so long.
Service is
what type
horrible of
service?
Hyundai.
Service is very sad in a Hyundai. They have a lot of customers, but service is shit. So guys, I want to show the difference when people come to buy the car and when people come to do the service of the car. Actually, I'll show you. The example is live in front of me. So basically, these people are over here. They come to buy the car. So there are happy faces. And look at my friend. He's come to service the car. He's very sad. He's also stressed and upset because of the service. So guys, once you come to buy the car, happy faces. Once you come to service your car, sad faces. So guys, after finally a long wait, the car is done. Only the billing is left. So they're checking over there at the back. So yes, it's been very long. So let them finish. Only the payment is left. After the payment we're leaving. It's so tiring. These people, they don't do their work fast. Especially the service people. They say they kurta. They say gaadi bhitor galta and they park it over there only. So we were like after them. That's why that this got done, the work. Or else we had to wait simply. I said I don't want it after lunch. Just now before lunch. They're checking over there. See, wiper on. Karun check kara. Okay guys, now I'm back inside. So now they are making us dance for the payment. So long we are waiting now to give the cash and get our car and go. Work is done. But now another half an hour is wasted. Just for payment. Payment problem. Okay my people, we're finally done. Bill is here. So amount is 5,216. Bro, I'm vlogging, man. So basically, yeah, okay. 5,216 is okay, good amount. Anything else you want to say? Anything else you want to say, bro?
No.
Okay. So that's all.
Adios.
Back home. Adios, sir. Mama.
Bon appetit.
Now where are you taking me to?
Food.
For food? Okay, he's taking me for food now. Wait till I'm Palaran. So guys, see you later. Yeah, this is called pro level driving. So guys, right now I'm in Margaon, so I'll be going home now. I'll go home, I'll have my lunch. Then after that in the evening I have to go for work. So I don't know, so today what else I'm going to show you guys. So yes, I think the video is going to end here for this video. If there is anything I will show you guys, don't you worry about it, okay? Till then, stay with me.